So here another question for series: find the centroid of an angle section of 100 mm into 80 mm into 20 mm. So this is our L section, that is 20 mm width and 100 mm length, 80 mm wide, and this 20 mm thickness. So as it is a L section, it is not symmetrical about any axis, xx or yy. So we have to find out x dash and y dash. So x dash, its formula is a1 x1 plus a2 x2 divided by a1 plus a2. So similarly, y dash formula is a1 y1 plus a2 y2 divided by a1 plus a2. So split the structure into two sections, that is section 1, that is section 2. So this is our question. We have to find the solution. So here A1 is required for both x dash and y dash, x bar and y bar, sorry. A1, value of A1 is equal to, the section is 1 here, so it is 100 mm height into 20 mm, 100 into 20, that is 2000 mm square. Similarly, A2 for section 2, this is section 2, so 20 mm, thickness is 20 mm, and the length is 60 mm, as it is covered by this section. So the length is 60 mm. This is 20 mm. Total length is 80 mm. So this will be 60 mm. So area is equal to 1200 mm square. Now our task is to find out A1, A1 and A2. Now we are we have to find out X1, X1, X1. So this is the section 1. This is the section 1. So X1, value of X1 is equal is half of this thickness, half of this thickness, half of this thickness. It is 20, so it is half of it, 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10 mm. Okay. Now, what is y1? Y1 is equal to half of this height, half of this height, 100 mm divided by 2, that is 50 mm. Now, x2. What will be our x2? This is the section 2. So, the this is 60 mm, the length is 60 mm. So half of the 60 mm, half of 60 mm from this point, half of the 60 mm. So we have to calculate the x2. X2 is the distance from this point to the center of the section 2. So center of section 2 is lies around 30, because it is 60, means half of the section 2 is 30, and here 20 mm. Here 20 mm. Total is 50 mm. So we can write it. So we can write it half of 60, half of 60 plus 20. So 30 plus 20 is equal to 50. As it is the section 2 center is lies half of 60, and the distance from the axis is equal to 20 plus 30 is equal to 50. So x2 will be 50. Understand? Y2. Y2 is equal to half of the section 2, that is half of 20, is 10 mm. Now we are interested to apply the formula. First we apply x bar formula, that is a1 a1 into x1 10 mm plus a2 1200 into x2, that is 50 mm divided by a1 plus a2 2000 plus 1200. So we can find out 2000, it is 20,000 plus 12 into 1200 is 500. 6 60 taken 60,000 divided by 3200. So you can find out the answer 80,000 divided by 3200. Answer will be 25. I have done the calculation previously. That is our x bar. Now y bar. Y bar is equal to a1 formula suggesting a1 y1 a1 into y1 is 50 plus a2 y2. A2 is our 1200 into y2, that is 10 mm. I have done the divided by a1 plus a2. Now by doing the sum, 2000 into 50, that is 1 lakh plus 12,000 divided by 3200. It is 112,000 divided 3200. We can calculate it 35 mm. So it is our y dash. So in L section or angle section, the CG is located outside the structure, outside the section, because it is x bar is 25, means 25 from this line, 25 from this line lies about this point something, and 35 from bottom. 35 in 20, this is 20, means 35 is top. So this will be a CG point. What is 25, 35? So in the L section, CG lies outside the structure. Okay, thank you.